Alright folks, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to go ahead and scuff all this down. I already got most of it sanded down. Just need to scuff down all the low spots and start doing some body filler on this. So without further ado, let's get to it. And for body filler, you guys may have guessed it, we are going to use Bondo. Because why not? So we're going to use this stuff, fast dry. So go ahead and we'll pre-mix a base and then get it ready to go. Then we'll go ahead and mix it up and start applying it. So it's pretty important to pre-mix this stuff because you don't know how long it's been sitting around on the shelf, and that way you don't get a bunch of liquid in there. You want it mixed in with the hardener all together. Same with the base. All the lighter compounds are going to get forced to the surface. And we're just going to go ahead and mix this by folding it over. Alright, so we got our first coat on the whole thing. I'm going to wait for it to set up, and then we're going to hit it with sandpaper all the way across.
72 hours later.
Alright folks, it's been a few days. Meant to catch up on this earlier, but it is what it is. We'll go ahead and sand this down, and then put another coat on. Let's go ahead and toss down another coat. Alright guys, so we got the second coat on here. We're gonna go ahead and just let it cure up overnight. It only takes 15 minutes, but I'm gonna let it go overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna tackle it, sand it down.
Eventually.
So we tossed a couple more coats on. Looking pretty good. Just a couple more areas where it needs a little bit more finessing, and we'll be done with this forward piece, and then we'll move on to the seat pan and the back section. So let's go ahead and sand this one, see where we're at, and go from there. It is looking really good. Still a tiny bit of a low spot here, tiny bit one here, and then get those corners done, and then the front face right here. After that, I think we should be good for primer, and then once we do primer, we'll do a scratch coat, make sure we're good everywhere, and we'll be good to paint. Here we go. Let's sand again. Alright, just a little more working. Alright, just a little bit more and we're good to go. Looks good. Yeah, so this is almost done, and then we'll, like I said, we'll hit up the backside probably next episode. So, see you guys on the next one.